Prophet Musa alayhi salam fear, faith, and the journey to strength. Prophet Musa alayhi salam faced several situations in his life where he experienced fear, uncertainty, or anxiety, but in each instance, he turned to Allah for guidance and strength. These events are highlighted in the Quran and reflect his human nature, as well as his unwavering trust in Allah. Below are some key events where Prophet Musa alayhi salam experienced fear. When he was confronted by Pharaoh. When Prophet Musa alayhi salam returned to Egypt as a messenger of Allah to free the children of Israel, he was commanded to confront Pharaoh, who was a tyrant and oppressor. Pharaoh denied the message of Allah and mocked Musa alayhi salam. Hazrat Musa, fearing for his safety and the success of his mission, turned to Allah for strength. Musa said, "My Lord, indeed I fear that they will deny me. And my chest will tighten and my tongue will not be able to express myself." Send for Harun. Staff turned into a snake. Yes, Prophet Musa alayhi salam initially felt fear when his staff turned into a snake. This is mentioned in the Quran, where Allah describes Musa's reaction and reassures him. Allah asks Musa about the staff in his hand and instructs him to throw it. He said, "Throw it down, O Musa." So he threw it down, and behold, it was a snake, moving swiftly. Allah said, "Seize it and fear not. We will return it to its former condition." Surah Taha. When he was pursued by Pharaoh's army. One of the most significant moments of fear for Prophet Musa alayhi salam occurred when he and the children of Israel were fleeing Egypt, and Pharaoh's army pursued him to the edge of the Red Sea. With no way of escape, the people of Israel were terrified. And even Musa alayhi salam was initially uncertain. And when the two companies saw one another, the companions of Musa said, "Indeed, we are to be overtaken." Musa said, "No, indeed, with me is my Lord. He will guide me." Musa alayhi salam was scared for his people, but he remained confident that Allah would protect them. Allah then commanded him to strike the sea with his staff, and the waters parted, allowing them to escape safely. This shows that Musa alayhi salam, as a human, felt natural fear, but Allah comforted him and gave him courage to trust in his power.